Welcome. Now talking about another direction problem. Now here is a question which says how far is the courier from the depot? Now the courier leaves the depot and rides 6 kilometer north. Now from the depot he moves 6 kilometers towards the north. Now he takes 4 kilometer to the right. Now 4 kilometer to the right would be this direction. Okay, so my hand goes opposite in the video, so this would be the other direction, right? So this would be the direction, as you can see in the cardinal points, towards the east, right? Now he says that he takes another right. Now the once a person is here, another right would make him go downwards, and he goes 9 kilometers down. So from the original line, which was 6 kilometers, he is 3 kilometers further south. Now from there he takes a west and goes 4 kilometers. So the top one was 4 kilometer, the bottom one was another 4 kilometer. Now the distance from the depot is actually just 3 kilometers, right? So this distance between the depot and the courier is 3 kilometers. The path appeared to be a longer path, but the actual distance here is 3 kilometers. Now again, an interesting problem. We'll be covering more such problems for your CSAT. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day.